What up, gang? Welcome back to another video. Arie here, and today we're gonna be looking at the story of a teen millionaire. Now, tons of interesting things about this. First of all, this is a really viral video. Second of all, teen millionaire, that's kind of crazy. Like, what? Somebody in their teens became a millionaire. And third of all, it's a girl. So if you thought that there wasn't enough female representation in the entrepreneurial world, today may be a sliver of hope. So make sure that you smash the like button real quick, support the channel, subscribe, and leave me a comment at the end of the video so that we can just have a little talk. I mean, it's kind of fun. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, just a quick announcement. I'm editing this video right now. I'm actually in Philadelphia visiting my brother, and I just wanted to announce that I'll be actually starting to stream again on Saturdays. So we used to do the live streams basically every Saturday, and it was a ton of fun. Make sure you turn on post notifications on for the channel. I really appreciate all you guys' support. I've been having so much fun with YouTube, and I can't wait to start doing these streams again. Hope you enjoyed the video.
When I was in high school, I would see all my friends and their parents would just buy them cars. When I was 16 especially. This girl got a Porsche. I was like, oh my God, she got a Porsche, and my parents aren't helping me with anything.
A Porsche? Hold up, what kind of parents buy their teen kid, 16-year-old kid, a Porsche? That's kind of crazy.
What is an entrepreneur? Somebody that works really hard towards whatever it is that they want. They don't give up. My name's Lily. I make soap. My entire life, my dad had pushed me through whatever it was, waking up in the morning, making my own lunch for school, basically everything. So then when I started failing math class, he wasn't too happy about that. As a chemist, he thought that if he could teach me how to apply science and math to real life, I could understand it. Understand it better. And it worked. I applied it to real life. I started making soap. Out came a soap business that has now grown bigger than I could have ever thought. It's a luxury bar of soap that you can indulge in and experience. I started working at 13 years old. I was building the soap company full time. I started a website, and then from there it just kind of blew up.
Damn, so she's got a luxury soap business. Actually, this is on her channel called handmadesoapclub.com. So this is actually such clever marketing. Wow. And this video has millions of views, so I can only imagine how many sales she's gotten from this. But honestly, it's definitely justified. Like, being 13 years old and starting a business sounds mind-blowing to me. I could never imagine something like that. But it goes to show that this generation of kids is just unbelievable, and how inspiring. I mean, wow.
Throughout high school, I was involved in the business programs offered. Shout out Ms. Rochford, I know you're gonna watch this. She taught me the basics of marketing and managing finances and all of this stuff, and brought in the opportunity of DECA, a giant business conference. So I presented at state, and I got 4th in state, and then I presented at international, and I placed 6th. I got grounded from using my dad's car. So I went out one day and I just bought a BMW, and I came back. It was a little 2002 325i, my first car.
That's
and
clean.
I pulled up and I parked it in the driveway, and I was like, yep, I bought my car. And it was the best feeling in the world. Having that feeling after having those keys was like, okay, this is what I worked for. This is why my parents don't just hand me stuff. I learned that it's better to work for what you got. When your parents are giving you money, you can't exactly do what it is that you want to do. It's like, oh, I want to travel, but oh, I can't because I don't have the money. My parents are paying for my college. So the money's going to college and the things that your parents want you to do rather than what you want to do.
Facts.
So in reality, it's dictating how you're living your life. And I realized that at a really early age.
I'm super proud of Lily. I mean, her business is a perfect example of making something out of nothing. And if your kid can do that, it makes you super proud.
Don't even start right now. I said we need, no. I said we need to give soap away at Coachella. Originally, soap was made with lard, other oils, and lye. So that's what we do is we start from the bottom. We use only 4 ingredients. It's like natural clays for colorants, 100% essential oils. We render our own lard, and we use sustainable palm oil and olive oil. We get pig fat locally from a farm. We ourselves render it, and then we take pure olive oil and palm kernel oil. You measure out all the oils based on what soap you make. And then you mix all the oils up, and then you have your lye, which is sodium hydroxide and water. You mix the oils and then you put the lye into the oils, you mix it all together, and then you can pour it into a soap mold and you let it sit anywhere between 4 weeks to an entire year.
What? That's actually insane. Wow. I did not know what went into making soap. Like, that's really interesting. And it's a really good idea, especially for someone that doesn't have a ton of money to invest, but like specialized knowledge like she did. She mentioned she's got like a chemistry background, or her dad does. That's really amazing. That's super cool.
So in all of the soaps, we use all natural flowers, lavender buds. All of the colorants are clays. Rose clay turns into this turmeric. So we'll use it for an orange colorant. So this right here, this is all turmeric right here.
What a boss, honestly. Like, this is super cool. And I love that they only use a few ingredients. That's very fitting with people's demand for more sustainable products, more clean ingredients. It's kind of a perfect mix. So congratulations to Lily. That's really cool.
And then all of the flowers on top, we use real lavender, like this. These are rosebuds, so we use them on the top. All of our soap is cold processed, made from scratch. Pure olive oil, pure flowers, pure essential oils, pure clays, everything. It's all natural, pure soap. And it's creating something from nothing that is so mesmerizing to me. What you have in your hands when you hold our bars of soap is actually more like a brick of love.
That's such a good marketing angle. Buy a brick of love. Honestly, that's cute though. I kind of want one.
For just $24 a month, you get 3 luxury soap bars, hand stamped and made like that, and put into here. You can go to www.handmadesoapclub.com to join, and you can get all of our updates and subscribe.
Wow, well, I basically kind of ran a soap club ad on my channel, but that's pretty awesome, honestly. Like, that's very, very inspiring. I mean, she's only 18 years old and she runs $1 million soap brand. I love looking at stories like this that's inspiring teens, making brands like real businesses, not just dropshipping businesses. I mean, obviously dropshipping is a great way to start a business, but it's not necessarily providing the best value for your customers. And clearly she puts a lot of effort into making sure that the soaps are not only luxury and quality, but that the customer also knows that they really care about them, you know? Like she mentioned, you're getting a brick of love with every order, which I think is a super dope value proposition right there. So congratulations, Lily. Shout out all the teens that follow my channel. I know it's not most people, but sometimes I get messages from like 14-year-olds telling me that they're trying to start a Shopify store. I think that's so cool. That's honestly probably some of my favorite comments. And that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know whatever it is you want to tell me. I'll be there to answer. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.